I just came home from cleaning. It's probably about 11:30 or so, but I keep hearing this really loud sound like a jet outside. But it's like the jet isn't moving, so I don't think it's really a jet. The sound is coming from the same direction, but it sounds like a jet, but I don't know really what it is. I've never heard it before since I've been here. Creepy. What was that over there? Huh. Kind of looks like a deer. Nope. This place just creeps me out. It has creeped me out from the day I moved in here back in October 25th of 2021. Listen to that sound. It's not a train either. It's coming from the southwest. Well, whatever. And the traffic goes by. That never stops. Uh-oh. Gosh, what the heck? 0428. Oh my gosh, what the crap was that? I'm done. I'm going to bed.